Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the GPS physically ready and confirming the map data. Attach the GPS to your belt or wrist so it doesn't jiggle and lose reading. This stabilizes coordinates. Open the world map, locate your current marker, and drop a waypoint toward your immediate objective. Once done, glance at the GPS status icon to confirm signal and battery. Make sure the antenna isn't obstructed by structures, because a weak signal gives inaccurate bearings and wasted time. You now use the GPS actively to traverse the island with reliable waypoints. Set intermediate waypoints every 50 to 200 meters when terrain is broken so you can react to cliffs or enemies. Follow the heading and distance readouts. They tell you the most direct route and when to anticipate elevation changes. If you hit obstacles, adjust by creating a temporary waypoint around them, because detours avoid costly backtracking and keep your route efficient and safe. You finish by saving and verifying your navigation data so nothing is lost. Save key waypoints for your base, resource nodes, and reliable exit paths, and then sync or confirm they persist in the map UI before leaving the session. If the GPS misbehaves, reset the device, reattach it securely, and reload the map. Often a quick reset clears corrupted markers. If problems persist, back up your save and reload the game to restore accurate coordinates and waypoint functions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.